how do you reset the clock on a Hyundai Tucson? I'm going to show you right now. So basically go to your start button there, hit the accessories, right? So, okay. And so go over here to your display, hit setup, go to general, okay, go to date and time. And this actually does have the daylight savings clicked on, but for whatever reason, it hasn't reset. So we're gonna have to set the time ourselves. Oh, okay, I see. So what we did was we had daylight savings time on when it was daylight savings, but now it's not daylight savings. So I clicked that off, and you could see right here the difference. It was displaying 10:11, but it's actually 9:11. So go ahead and click that off, and now you got 9:11. Here you got set the time automatically, right? Now, that way it automatically syncs to the correct time. So if yours is an hour off, that's where you can find the daylight savings time button and just turn that off for winter hours, because now we're in standard time. All right, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.